Don't look at me struggle. Come and help. Come and help. You just standing there.
Like that. She said that I ain't like that, but I swear this ain't no fake gut. Hell yeah.
Yo, real quick, wait a minute. So I'm on my way out. About to go enjoy my Christmas. Let me see if I turn this light on if it help at all. But, you know, I'm in a suite. So if I'm busy, they leave packages out of the front of the door. So I'm on my way out and I get a package, right? Clean my glasses, I see a lot of dust. First off, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Comment, like, share, dislike the videos. But I see a package out in front of my door. I've been in here cutting all day long. I don't know how long it's been there. I ain't left the room. I ain't used the bathroom. Nothing. I've been grinding, right? Christmas time, holidays. But I am about to open it, and I do see it's a Stylecraft gamma on it. So let's see what's in the box, right? And I don't know if they got anything new coming out, so I don't know if it's anything new. Alright. It's a black box in here. If I can get it out. Don't look at me struggle. Come and help. Come and help. You just standing there looking. Just looking. While I'm over here struggling. Alright. So they do say it is part of their Barber hood collection. Stylecraft Gamma. By the time y'all see it, it's gonna be the new year. I'm opening this a couple days before Christmas. So it's a good Christmas gift. But by the time I upload this video, it will be past the new year. So happy new year to you. Barber hood, black box. Alright. Got a couple of pamphlets. A couple of disclaimers and papers. Look like they're working with Eversense. Got the Eversense blade in there. It is a trimmer blade, so maybe this is a new trimmer. Got some air can, air in a can, air in a, you know, the stuff that spray, you know what I mean. Duster X, that's what they call it, Duster X. Got a little brush in there. All right, well I don't see nothing. And then some they're tight guards. I didn't like them when I got them with the sideboard, they're a little thick, but that's all I got. Boy, I'm really thinking it's something about to be crazy in there. But I do get a new trimmer blade, so we will try that maybe on the flex. I do get a new taper little brush. I'm gonna use that for my fades and stuff. Okay, so it do say on here sample enclosed. So it's just sample stuff. The black diamond blade set with the new shallow tooth cutter. Yep, so it says a new collab with Gamma and Eversense. So we shall try that out and see how that work. And then the duster, the air spray. So all right, I guess we got a few things. I came back in, everything is off. I came back in, turned on light, set up camera because I thought something crazy was about to be in there. But since nothing crazy is in there, I guess let's just put a haircut in this video. Haircut. Go. I gotta show how it looked before I cut it. What's going on, everybody? Cuts by Reggie with a nice little video today. Get my little homie right for Christmas, right before Christmas, before the New Year's. We are just doing an even cut, and it's just an all-around 1.5 using my instincts with the blur guard. I have really fell in love with this blur blade for my instincts. So I'm just using the instincts, doing an all-around even. And I just wanted to, this is his Christmas cut, so I just wanted to get on here, add it to this video. You've seen the unboxing, but I just want to talk real quick. As y'all can see, this is my first video in a little while, my first video of the year. So first off, happy New Year's to everybody. And I just wanted to say thank you to everyone that has been supporting me over the few years of me doing this YouTube channel. We are planning more things, trying to grow a little bit. Man, look how easy this glides. It's beautiful. But so I got a few new things coming in 2024, and I hope you all are planning to grow in some way this year. Whether it's being more consistent on what you're doing, opening up your own shop, opening up your suite, just even if you're just planning on going to barber school, if you have the time and if you have the ability to enter into this career, I say do it. I say do it. Here we are doing a lineup again with my flex trimmers, my number one go-to so far. This has been I love this trimmer. But just if you have the time or if you really want to enter this career, I say do it. I know the biggest question and the biggest talk of the new year is always pricing. Charge what you want. Charge what you worth. Charge what's making you happy. Some people can make a living in charging $25 a cut. I know some people want to say everybody should be charging $100. Just charge what you charge, what works for you. And that's all I wanted to say. Thank you to everybody. Happy New Year's. Hope everybody had Happy New Year. Hope everybody had a great Christmas. And here we are in 2024. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe.
I'm your biggest fan. I listen. Hey, my parents always played your music. Hey, the first nigga woman I ever saw was on your album cover.
All right, young man.
When the fuck hits the fan, all the people wanna jam. Time to get funky. Oh, it's fun. Yeah, just look at you.
You good?
Just say no and stay in school.
Water.
What's up, Doug? Now, see, first of all, let me explain to you what I'm gonna do today. Nothing. And now let me tell you who I don't hang with. Nobody. You know why? Because I ain't got no key.
Yo, now that I'm back after that cut and got my man out the chair, got a package in. Let's see what's in the box. It ain't even, oh, there you go. Let's see what we got in here. If I can get it open. And we gonna get it open now.